Not yet. My students are Verenita, mahasiswa PNM itu has already uploaded at Google Play Store. But once you upload it, uh, you can revise. So making sure if you are going to upload it at the Google Play Store, make it everything well, ready to use, and then you upload it once. Because Tangkai will give you one free uploaded applications from one account. So if you has already made an account, you have one free uploaded applications at the Google Play Store. And how could we get the money from that? You know, could you imagine that your students are getting bigger and bigger? For example, you have this right, the first grade in 2000, in 2024, and then the first grade in 2025, and etc., right? Could you imagine that it could be also monetized? So that's what I mean. That's why we are here now. Yeah, but anything needs a process, Ibu, yeah. So you need to be very patient, share students use to download the application to use it, and you also evaluate. And in 12 seconds, if your application has been downloaded for 1 million user, so you can monetize. Yeah, the Google Play Store will give you confirmation that your application has been downloaded by one user. So you will, yeah, yes, 1 million. Okay, it's okay, it's in a process, right? But you know, your students has a brother, has a sisters, has a neighbors, and etc. It could be, and I don't know when it is, but I think this is the starting point. Yeah, it is a starting point. When you have already free apps, I mean, all the user can access your application freely without downloading, then there will be the next. You are going to have the Pro Apps one, when you could sell your apps into, for example, 100,000 rupiahs, or starting from the small 25,000 rupiahs for one apps. Yeah, so let's see, what is it? If you keep developing, if you keep revising, and then you also keep creating the contents, another contents, types, and etc. So you will make it money from that. Begitu ya, Ibu ya. You will make, or if you don't have any enough time, just teach your students. That's also teach your, what is it, your children, for example, at homes. Lead them how to be, what is it, edu technopreneur. Edu technopreneur. The entrepreneurships, which comes from the education area, and then integrate with technology. Like this what we do. Ya, Ibu, congratulations. Aduh, aku tuh seneng loh. I'm very happy to see you having a, what is it? Menyala gitu ya. Menyala Bapak. Ya gimana ya ngomongnya itu ya. Pokoknya I'm very happy to see you engage and involve more to the activities today. And I do hope it is not our last meeting. Yeah, this is only the second one. Okay, thank you Bapak ya. Answerable? Is it answerable? Thank you.
Ya, thank you Ibu Maiso. Ini semakin semangat ya Bu ya. Nanti habis ini di rumah laptop terus ini. Betul kan Bu? Tahu Bu. Nanti praktis. Iya.
Confusing itu apa tadi? Ibu, saya tuh kalau ngajar di kelas, when I teach my student in the class, I bring something new, like I did now to you. And then when my face students changes into like you, confusing. So congratulations, let's celebrate it because you're going to understand one new thing. Yeah, so Ibu, congratulations, you come finally to the confusion session. So it means that you are going to understand one new things. And you also will be able to do one new skill, digital skill. Okay, don't give up. You have to keep learning. Oh, menyala abangku. Oke.
Oke. Ya, baik, Bapak dan Ibu. Ini dari tadi saya kasih pertanyaan. Silahkan Bapak dan Ibu barangkali ada yang mau bertanya. Iya, wah, biar lagi.
How to make a score yes. In the Timetable or quizzes website. In the Timetable. Oh, the ones who are expert is in itu adalah kelompoknya Bimo. Bimo itu udah bisa memecahkan permasalahan itu. Nanti kita undang Bimo untuk di webinar deh ya. Nah, Bapak Ibu, kita akan belajar dulu masalah-masalah yang Bapak Ibu hadapi hari ini gitu ya. Nanti kita akan bahas bagaimana tuh. Kita akan tiba di sana sih. Nanti akan diajarkan. Tapi sebenarnya I want to make sure that you have already finished the drafting content. Bapak Ibu tugasnya drafting sudah beres? I yeah. Okay. To make draft sample and then in Canva, okay. Canva and quizzes, but okay. Canva and combine and match to the sample and we make quiz and games. But first I make a quiz and then find difficult how to make a score. In the quizzes bukannya otomatis. Louis, I use true false. Oh, true false. Oh, yes. I see. So true. Okay. So true false means how many numbers do you find? Only five numbers. So you don't have to the. I mean, you didn't the final score gitu ya 550. Yeah. Oh well. Okay. I think it is up you. It's up to you. I mean, if you are just giving a whole rate as a congratulations for the ones who correct who answer correctly, it's okay. You don't need to put 100 or 80, it's okay. It's up to you. Boleh seperti itu. Tapi kalau misalnya if you are going to give us such as 100 for all gitu ya, itu boleh nanti di setting di quiznya. Oke, boleh. Siapa nih yang pakai quizzes nih? Dia mana dia? I pakai quiz and the quiz is about true false. Oke, kalau tidak ada Puri gimana Puri? Boleh ke sini nih? Oke. Ke ibunya langsung atau bagaimana? I think it's better to be. Oke. Ya, tapi sambil diceritain yuk, ibu juga pengen tahu juga.
Ya, enggak, Bu.
Sudah ada. Bisa cuma kalau jadi aku ini pakai kunci atau pakai apa? Kamu belum nanya? Kenapa sih? Karena ini aplikasinya kan Pak, buatnya. Oh, jadi kalau kita ingin pakai sudah dikulis sudah di
Hebat.
Yes. Eh, Nah, terus kalau ini bisa, waktu itu ini pakainya multiple choices ya, bukan pakai true false ya. Tapi bukannya pakai true false juga kita bisa membuat nilai satu soal, misalkan nilainya 20 gitu, bisa nggak sih? Kayak gitu, bisa kan ya? Nah, terus tinggal di scoring. Oh, berarti sih ini siapa tuh yang kemarin bisa mencatat tuh siapa? Apa? Azai, bukan. Justru untuk juga ada lagi, sama siapa ya? Bim, 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 Bim. Bimo tuh pakai Bimo pakai apa scoringnya? Pakai tankable bukan? Iya, waktu itu bisa berhasil sampai apa namanya coding untuk scoringnya bisa. Bisa. Boleh sedikit dilihat dulu permasalahan Ibu tadi? Yuk, sini di mana? Coba ini barangkali. Nah, yang bloknya coba dicek bloknya. Bloknya barangkali itunya ada yang missing gitu.
Oh, itu udah masuk tuh. Iya.
Hmm. Masya Allah, luar biasa ya. Hai Hati C. Ya, you are already there ya. So Hati C is having breakfast then. Look at the participants here moving. Yeah. We are having what's it doing collaboration between teachers and students to create an applications um, which is developed best differentiated learning and also localization. And most of them have finished creating. Hi, hello,
Hi.
say hi.
Hi again. Can I hear my voice? Hello,
Yes,
everyone. It was very great work. I really appreciate your work.
your voice.
Can you hear me?
Oh, gak masuk ya? Sorry. I cannot hear your voice. Have you unmuted?
Kayaknya masuknya di laptop.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Suaranya nggak masuk ya?
Can you hear me?
Oh yes, yes.
Okay, it was very good. I really appreciate your work and your students' great efforts. Thank you for this perfect webinar. It has been a great work. I found your students very successful in teaching, also in teaching methods. And learning is a process, and this process is really take your time, take your efforts. I admire your work, and it was a very different experience for me. Actually, education has changed globally, you know, and the digital age has become widespread. I had the opportunity to evaluate both myself and my country education level, of course. The sharing of knowledge, it was very proud of me. I really appreciate. I would like to thank you, Mrs. Maisa, teacher.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
especially
you very
your.
much.
Thank you.
Okay.
And your also, I would like to thank you, your students, your effort, your institution. Of course, my teacher Maisa. It was a very great work. I really learned and have enjoyed learning process. Digital items is very beneficial for the process of learning or teaching methods, because most of our students also get bored by writing or classical materials. That's why we have to learn those new materials and get some systematically methods. Yeah, actually. Yeah. And I also have a chance to compare teaching levels, both my students and both my teaching materials, of course, because we sometimes use digital items in our schools, or give some homeworks as a digital learning materials. And it was very meaningful to me. Thank you. Because of the time zone difference, I was very late today. Sorry, I set the alarm clock, but I was late.
Okay. I would think and consider about, wait a minute, about the time. Yeah. I think the time differences, the time zones need to be situated, right? To see and to talk more. But I hope this is not the first and the last. Yeah, we'll have again and again. Okay. We plan also to have a webinar, online webinar to finish our project. And perhaps some of the teachers here also will present their project, their apps. Okay, would you mind joining us again?
Of course, I really have enjoy learning process, and it's very good process for learning, teaching new materials from different countries. I have a chance comparing. That's why if I have a time, if I have opportunity, of course, I will answer your webinar.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Say hello, Bapak Ibu. Do you have any question for Hatice?
I'm also teacher in secondary school in Turkey. Yes, Turkey.
They are very busy. They are finishing, struggling to finish their project. Their is becoming very serious. It's okay. It's nice to see them creating new apps. This is their legacy. This become the legacy to their students. So they create the apps for the students. So the students could access and could engage more with them through applications. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I say all of you hello and thank you for your great webinar.
Kasih dulu ya.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Ya,
Goodbye.
begitu Bapak Ibu, alhamdulillah. Itu namanya Hatice. Is from Hatice, where are you from?
I am
Oman?
from Turkey. Turkey.
Oh,
Turkey.
Turkey. Okay, so you
Mm-hmm.
are from Turkey and then you are teaching English at
Iya.
Turkey.
Yeah.
Okay, what school? Elementary school, secondary?
Secondary school.
Secondary school. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So Hatice is also an English teachers at Turkey and then is teaching secondary school students. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you. Bapak Ibu, do you have any question for Hatice? Okay. I wanna have broker, but I didn't understand. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Kumar, do you have any questions for Hatice? Okay. Sorry, I have to finish. I have to close the, what is it? Because it is in a hotel and then the time is limited. Hatice. Nice talking.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. If you
Bye.
have any question, no problem.
Okay, I'll start.
Good.
Bye-bye.
Ngerjainin naman.